In this video, you will learn new unusual Cyrillic letters. I already introduced you false friends and true friends of Cyrillic alphabet. If you didn't see that, you should. And now we are going to learn new unusual letters. Начинаем. Поехали! Unusual Cyrillic letters. Let's start. Это буква И. И, like E in meat. Meat. Например, интернет. Интернет. Кино. Кино. 3. Like in end. Это, this. Это, this. Экзамен. 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 Аэропорт. Аэропорт. А эта буква И. I guess the most unusual letter for foreigners. И. Например, сыр, сыр. Музыка, музыка. Студенты, студенты. И, to pronounce it, it's kind of challenging. I get it. What you need to know that I and E have the same position of the tongue, but there is a difference. Let's see. When we pronounce E, the tip of our tongue is close to the teeth. E. But when we pronounce I, the back of our tongue goes back. I. So E. You can imagine that you carry something heavy. So when you carry something really tough, really heavy, you like you want to lift it up and also what I can recommend you with this letter, with this sound, you can take a cotton swab or pen, but it's better to be something clean, and firstly say the sound E, and then take cotton swab and push your tongue back. Like, let's see. E. I say E if I push my tongue back. E. It's impossible to say E if the tongue somewhere far in our mouths. You see? Or you can try something else. You can take again a cotton swab and do it like that. And try to say I. What you need to do is that your tip of tongue shouldn't touch the cotton swab. I get it. And here's the sound I. Try it. Another unusual Cyrillic letter is B, like B in boot. Например, банк, бар, банкомат. Это буква G, like G in go. Например, это гамбургер. You see, when the word starts from the letter G, we pronounce it clearly. It's not like ha. Это гамбургер. Гитара. The next letter is D, like D in day. Например, дом, документ, адрес, Адрес. The next letter is Z. Z. It looks like 3, number 3. Да, это Z. It sounds like Z in zoo. Например, виза, виза, кризис, кризис. The next letter is L, L, like L in lamp. Например, клуб, клуб, лимон, лимон. The next letter is P, P, like P in pet. For example, park, park, паспорт, паспорт, проблема, проблема. And the last letter is F, like F in foot. For example, fact, fact, office, office, телефон, телефон. So during this class you learned 6 consonant letters B, G, D, Z, L, P, F and 3 vowel sounds E, U, E.